Welcome to K-Story. I'm your main teacher, Ji-yoon. We learn Korean through stories, culture, and classic tales from Korea. Hi, I'm Hana, your story guide. I'll help you understand the meaning behind Korean stories and traditions.
Hey, I'm Alex. I'll practice with you, ask beginner questions, and help make Korean feel easier and more natural.
Let's begin and learn Korean together.
Hi everyone! Today we will learn Korean through a famous Korean story called Heungbujeon. It's a story about kindness, family, and a magical gourd. Let's begin our adventure.
Once upon a time, in a land of legends, there lived two brothers who shared the same blood, but lived in two entirely different worlds.
Heungbu, the eldest, held all the family wealth, yet his heart was colder than ice.
On the other side of the valley lived Heungbu, the younger brother, who possessed nothing but a crumbling home.
Here you go, little one. It is just watery porridge, but it is filled with all my love.
Though their stomachs were often empty, their home was always rich with laughter.
And a heart so pure, it kept his family warm, even in the darkest winter.
One brother guarded a fortress of gold, the other shared a kingdom of love, and their true journey was about to begin.
After their parents suddenly passed away, the whole family was filled with grief.
But Heungbu had no room for grief, only for his own gain.
In one cold stroke, Heungbu was no longer a brother, but an outcast.
With nowhere to turn, they walked into the teeth of the storm.
He had nothing to give his children, but the warmth of his own body.
Look, my family, a place to rest. We will make this our home.
It was a house of wind and shadows, but it was theirs.
In the coldest night of their lives, they found that love was the only fire they needed. The true test of the heart had only just begun. Winter's bite finally faded, giving way to a spring filled with new hope. High under Heungbu's eaves, a tiny family was just beginning its story. Heungbu heard the desperate cries of the mother bird.
But in the chaos, the unthinkable happened.
A life saved, but at a heartbreaking cost.
He had no medicine, but he had hands guided by love.
There, almost done. You're a brave little one, aren't you?
In that humble room, a miracle began to grow. Summer bloomed and faded, and the little guest grew strong. The bird became more than a guest. It became a part of the family. But nature's call is a song that must be followed. The time for goodbyes is always the hardest part of the journey.
Go now. Fly strong. Don't forget us.
And so, with a flutter of wings, Heungbu's little friend set off into the great unknown.
Did you enjoy the story? Can you find AI mistakes? Tell us in the comments. We'll reveal the answer later.
Let's learn some important words from today's story. Now let's learn 3 important Korean words about time. The first word is 옛날. 옛날 means long ago. The second word is 지금. 지금 means now. Right now. The third word is 미래. 미래 means future. Now let's learn another important Korean family word. The word is 아버지. 아버지 means father. In Korean, 아빠 is another way to say father. Another important word is 어머니ers. 어머니 means mother. In Korean, 어머니 is a respectful way to say mother. 엄마 is another way to say mother. Another family word is 형 or 누나 for boys. 형 means older male brother. 누나 means older sister. For girls, 오빠, 언니 is used instead. The last word is 동생. 동생 means younger sibling. You can say 남동생 for younger male sibling and 여동생 for younger female sibling. Let's review today's family words. 아버지, father. 어머니's, mother. 형, older brother. 동생, younger sibling. The first feeling is 사랑. 사랑 means love. The expression I love you in Korean is 사랑해. You can try to use 사랑해 to the people you love. The next feeling is 좋아하다. It means to like in English. In conversations, we usually say 좋아해요. K-story 좋아해요. It means I like K-story. Happy is 행복한 in Korean. Can you guess how to say I am happy in Korean? 나는 행복해요. 나는 means I. Kind is 친절한 in Korean. Can you guess how to say kind teacher in Korean? 친절한 선생님. 선생님 means teacher. Let's review. 사랑, love. 좋아하다, like. 행복한, happy. 친절한, kind. Spring is 봄 in Korean. Can you guess how to say I like spring in Korean? 난 봄이 좋아요. Remember 좋아요? Summer is 여름 in Korean. Can you guess how to say do you like summer in Korean? 여름 좋아하세요? It means do you like summer? Autumn is 가을 in Korean. Can you guess how to say autumn flowers in Korean? 가을 꽃. 꽃 means flowers. Winter is 겨울 in Korean. Can you guess how to say winter is cold in Korean? 겨울은 추워요. 추워요 means cold. Remember 좋아요? Let's review. 봄, spring, 여름, summer, 가을, autumn, 겨울, winter. Great job!